So it is Friday, and that means it's time for Friday Tunes.
Zach Jenkins is here bringing those tunes, helping us ring Friday in on a high note.
And singing his original song, Songbird, here is Zach Jenkins.
Songbird, sing me a song. Tell me of all the things you sing. Free bird, flying so high. Tell me of all the dreams you dream. What did you see? Now I know that my mind has been away, but between the heartache and the pain, know that I still love you. Songbird, whistle me a tune. Give me that peace within my soul. Free bird, flying away. Give me that freedom that you hold. Oh no, what do you hold? Now I know that my mind has been away, but between the heartache and the pain, know that I still love you. I know that my mind has been away, but between the heartache and the pain, know that I still love you. Oh, oh.
And that right there was Zach Jenkins. That's an original, which means all originals get to be posted on WVVA.com. So after this show, you'll get to see them all over again. You can see them as many times as you want. And we're, of course, going to hear more from Zach.
Yeah, it's just getting started.